guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share how I do my updated top knot. So last year I actually filmed my very first hair tutorial and it was my top knot. Since then I have gotten extensions and totally changed up how I do it. I absolutely love wearing it like this, and honestly every time I wear it like this I get so many questions on how I do it. You guys, it's seriously the easiest hairstyle of all time. You're gonna love it. So usually I wear my hair like this after it's about 4 days old. So I did wash my hair about maybe 5 days ago. I usually only wash it about once a week, and it does kind of like evolve as time goes on. So usually it starts out like down and curled and super pretty and everything, and like as it gets dirtier and messier, it ends up in a messy bun. But if you do have clean hair, you definitely can get this hairstyle also. You will just want to use some kind of like texturizing spray or dry shampoo or something just to give it some extra body and oomph. That way it's big and fluffy and amazing. You'll only need 3 things to complete this look. You'll need a elastic of some sort. I do like to use the ones that match my hair color. And then you'll want a couple bobby pins. I usually use about 4 or 5 just to secure everything and keep it in place. And then you'll also want some kind of dry shampoo or texturizing spray. This one is the Dry Bar Triple Sec. It is a texturizing spray, dry shampoo, and volumizing spray all in one. And I really like this one. So if you're like me and love cute and easy hair tutorials that you can wear any day of the week, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next. I absolutely love doing hair tutorials, so if you have any special requests, leave them down below and I can create them for you guys next. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is go in with some dry shampoo and texture spray. So I'm going to spray this all over my roots and stuff. Like I said, I did wash my hair about 4 days ago, so it is a little bit oily, so this will just help kind of fluff it up and give me some body up in the top. So I'm just going to kind of massage that in and fluff my hair all up. I'm even going to flip it over and kind of like scrunch it all over just to give it some extra body and oomph before we put it up in a ponytail. Once you have it all fluffed up, you can start to work it up into a ponytail. I do like to use the ones that do match my hair color, so these are like the blonde ponytail holders. I just like that they're like a little bit invisible. So I'm gonna flip my head over again and work it up into a really high ponytail. Okay, so as you're working it up to the top of your head, you will wanna kind of smooth out the sides and the back a little bit, just make sure there's no lumps and bumps. And I do like to keep mine pretty high up. That'll just make the bun look higher and more impressive. And like I said, I am working around these extensions, so I just have to make sure that they're all going in the right direction. Okay, then once you're happy with it, I kind of flip mine off to the side, and then I will go ahead and make that first loop with the ponytail holder. Then on the second time around, you're only gonna pull it through halfway. You're just gonna make a bubble up on top. So once you have it like that, then I'm gonna go through and loosen up everything else. So I just kind of take my fingers and just pull and lightly loosen up everything. You can do this as much or as little as you want. I do like to make mine a little bit bigger and fuller. That way it just kind of matches the top and it's just humongous and amazing. Okay, so once you're happy with all of the sides and the top part, then you're gonna kind of lift the top part here and then grab your excess that you left out, and then we're just gonna wrap this around the ponytail. So just kind of wrap it around. Like I said, I do have a lot of hair, so I wrap around quite a bit, but just wrap it around as much as you can. And then I kind of tuck the ends under, that way they're not poking out. And then we're just gonna secure the back with a bobby pin. So once that's secured, then you're gonna loosen this top part back up, just kind of stretch it out, fluff it up a little bit. So then once you're happy with that, you're gonna take the sides and pin them down. I do have a few layers here that are poking out, so I am gonna kind of tuck those under and secure them down. So I just pin just the very ends with a bobby pin, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And this is what holds the entire thing in place. Usually when I do my hair like this, the bun will last all day long. It doesn't go anywhere, which is why I wear my hair like this so often. So then again, you can just loosen up that top a little bit, fluff it up. So then I'll just pull pieces down here in the front just to frame my face just a little bit. And then I do usually get like little flyaways in the back, so I will kind of tuck those up a little bit and then add a bobby pin to secure those as well. And again, if you have any flyaways or anything else sticking out or wanting to run away, you can just kind of pin it down or spray it with some hairspray. I usually don't add any hairspray to mine. I'm usually fine with just the dry shampoo, but go ahead and do whatever you feel works best for your hair. I just think this is such a cute and easy way to do your hair, do something different, and I feel like you can't go wrong with a top knot. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you try out this hairstyle and love it, leave me a comment down in the description box below. I would love to see it also. So if you do style your hair like this, tag me on Instagram so I can check it out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!